Yo, my band comes to my father, I work 7 days a week. So hard working, easy for me, see me. Never give up, I know me in the door, I hear that. Nothing. So you unstoppable, turn away your train. Every six fence, every lane.
Yeah, a pleasant night. A pleasant night to all of my Gaza fans, them out there. That's what me I say. A pleasant night to all of my Gaza fans, them out there. Yeah, yeah, we know vybz Kartel appeal, them are grant him on the 19th of February 2018. That's the third Monday in February. That's what me I say, 2018. Yeah. So you hear me I say, yo, let us not rejoice yet, because if him don't win this appeal, everything going to start back over. You understand me? And what we must do now, just keep quiet and watch what is going to happen. Just let God control everything. You see what me I say? Yeah. You know, I hear the rain in the background, but me I say, yo, focus on what me I say. Jamaica, the world, will rate vybz Kartel. Gaza fans, then will rate vybz Kartel. Me I say, yo, jump out with a prayer. Talk to God, not just because of that alone, you know, but just talk to God, that God may work out things for him, and everybody else will be behind bars, although everybody can walk free. You understand what I say? Because enough high society people don't like vybz Kartel. I don't know if you what, and nobody know wicked like some of them high society people. You understand what I say? But they might try to hold the man in a prison. But in God we trust. Vybz Kartel is a ghetto youth just like myself. That's what I say. I mean, I wish bad for no ghetto youth, even though ghetto youth and ghetto youth bad man one another still, but you know, we are past that. Vybz Kartel we are talking about. Yeah, God, may I put this a case in front of you, God, because enough case go in front of you, make enough man walk free. Yet still some of them come back, I will come to the worst. Me nah say Vybz Kartel come to the worst, because me not them say him commit him charge for murder. None of us see this man kill no man. They not have no evidence to say yeah, and the body this for the man, and the man this for the man murder. Understand what I say? So God may work this thing around that he may walk free and use him in a different manner. You see what I say? So here I say vybz Kartel, we are pray for you. Me I beg all of my Jamaican people them, pray for the man. You see what I say? Yeah man, pray for vybz Kartel that he may walk free, because freedom is a must in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Vybz Kartel, Jamaican people, don't rejoice. Same appeal that come through alone. You see me? Just put God to do the rest and everything will be okay. Okay, Jamaican people, have a pleasant night, a blessed morning when it comes. You see what I say? Vybz Kartel to the world. Not because me a Gaza fan. You see what I say? Vybz Kartel from day one. You see what I say? Respect him. Yeah. Respect every artist. But Vybz Kartel is my artist. Straight. You hear me I say that?
Every man have a dream and a night here. Every day can't be the same. Me a aim for the sky like plane. Them a pray for me fall like rain. From me a little youth, me tell myself me have a plan. Me want famous like Ninja Man. Me want big like Joe Bantan. So every year me raise 17 songs.